Hey guys, it's Melanie. Today's video is a super fun one. I've been watching a lot of these, not to mention I've also been watching
so much TikTok.
Because what else have we been doing with our time during quarantine? It's
addicting.
I know everyone's For You page is different, but mine has so much baking, so many recipes, and so many like food ideas on it. I think my TikTok just knows I'm a foodie. I always try those out, and I figured why not show you guys me testing some of them. These ones are all generally pretty popular ones, so if you guys want to see like a part 2 or 3 or whatever, send me other recipes and I will definitely try them out. I got some popular ones and I tried to get a couple that are a little less known. TikTok video, follow me on TikTok. I post so many like recipes, random food stuff on there also. And also follow me on my other socials and subscribe to this channel while you're at it. Now let's get into this video. Hey guys, we're starting off this video with what other way would we start off this video than with pancake cereal, because this has been going crazy. I feel like I was one of the first people to do it, but like ever since I did it, I've been craving it still and it was so good, so I'm gonna do it again. But I'm gonna do a couple things different. For starters, I'm gonna use a plastic bag this time and a bigger pan to flip my little pancakes and stuff, so hopefully it turns out a little better. Not that it didn't turn out good last time, because last time it was really good, hence why I'm making it again. So I'm grabbing my pan. So I actually have some leftover pancake batter from the last time I made pancakes, so I'm just gonna be using this. So, oh my gosh, I'm short. Okay, so this time what I'm gonna do is I'm grabbing a cup and a plastic bag instead of using a water bottle. This bag is really thick. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. Compared to last time when I did this, I think I'm gonna try to make them a little smaller. I've been seeing so many different variations, and low-key, little trend has been a tad bit overdone. There's this one TikTok account and he literally makes
everything
into cereal. Like I was watching his thing last night. He made like apples into cereal. That's not even, let's just cut up apple. But honestly, they taste really good. Personally, I think it almost tastes better than normal pancakes. I don't know, maybe it's just because it looks cute or something like that. Not the cutest angle. I have my bagged batter. Snip a little hole. I'm gonna try to make it really tiny. I think that's good. Just kidding. It's clogged. It's clogged. Okay, so I will say that so far I like this plastic bag method better. Mine keeps getting clogged, but that's more of a
me problem.
I'm using old batter, so there's like kind of chunks in it, which is kind of nasty. Okay, well, I think some of these have been done for a little while now, so I'm gonna try to flip them over. Oh, I'm gonna use both chopsticks. Oh, it's so perfect.
Aww.
I like. I feel like the time is racing down and I have to do it quickly before the pancakes burn. You don't even have to flip them, to be honest. They're literally cooked through. Yay! Okay, so that took a solid freaking 10 minutes. Still have more batter. Just gonna keep on doing that. They look so good though. It keeps getting clogged because there's like chunks. I have to like push it out. Okay, this is kind of nasty, but it's like you're pushing pus out of like a pimple or something. Kind of disgusting, but that's literally what it reminded me of. Hey guys, so here is my finished pancake cereal. Y'all already know this is gonna be good. It looks so perfect. I'm gonna finish that off with a little slab of butter. I don't even like butter that much, but honestly, it completes the look. That's a nice one. Beautiful. You already know this is gonna be good. Slaps. It was a lot of work, but you know what? We're not doing anything right now. I'm gonna add berries on top and some chocolate because I have a major sweet tooth. I give this 10 out of 10.
Always.
Some strawberries, some chocolate, and some blueberries. Scrumdiddlyocious, let me tell you. Hey guys, I'm back with another recipe. Today we're gonna be doing those like Sour Patch grapes. This one has also been around for a while. Originally I just saw one where you cut the grapes and then you put lime on it and you freeze it, and I did that. It tastes good, don't get me wrong, it tastes good, but I didn't really think it tastes like Sour Patch. But I saw this other one where they like rolled it in sugar. Maybe it's just because I have a sweet tooth, or maybe my grapes weren't good, but I'm gonna try it again because to me that makes more sense, because Sour Patch are like sour, but then they're coated in sugar. So I was like, I don't know, maybe it'll help. So what I have here is some grapes that I just washed. I have a little bit of sugar, and then I have some fresh limes. Okay, so I'm gonna take my limes. I don't know if I should like mix it or something. Okay, so now I'm gonna be taking these and then dipping them in the sugar. Ooh. Yeah, that looks a little more, quite a process. Got quite a setup right here. Just gonna take one over into the sugar and roll it around town. And then those are the finished ones. All right, and these are the finished grapes. Look a lot more like Sour Patch, and I'm gonna go plop these in the freezer and I'll check back with you probably at tonight for dessert. Hey guys, so it's like, I don't even remember when I filmed this, 10 hours later, I'm not sure. I got home from work, I made some dinner, but I really want to try my grapes. So I'm really excited to test them out. This is what they look like, to be honest. They kind of just look like they're really frostbitten. I don't know if that's a word, but we're gonna give these a taste. That's good. I'm gonna try another one. I like it. It still doesn't really taste like Sour Patch to me. I don't know if I'm just being really picky. That's good. That is refreshing. I'll give this like a 7 or 8 out of 10. Hey guys. I don't know why I look so lost. I'm gonna be making that egg sandwich that's been on TikTok. It's kind of just like a hack on like how to make it. They fold it over all cool and it looks really nice. It does look pretty simple. All you need is your pan, 2 eggs, some toast. Where's my toast? My bread was in the freezer. To be honest, I'm really not a sandwich person in general, or an egg sandwich person for that matter. It looks kind of appealing to make it, not gonna lie. So I'm not gonna waste it. I'll try a little bit and I'm gonna give it to like my dad or something. I'm gonna make him a nice brekkie. Oh my god, I can't crack eggs to save my life. You just make your normal scrambled eggs. I'm just gonna mix these up in a bowl. I'm doing 2 eggs. I'm gonna grab my 2 pieces of bread now. Oh, I hope this fits. That's kind of awkward. It's okay. Minor issues over here. Ready, this is a uno dos tres. Oh, that's not bad. New angle. We have it flipped over. It's getting all like toasty on the other side or whatever. I'm gonna take some shredded cheese, sprinkle that nice and in the middle. Give the sides a little flip. And then, ready? Oh, pretty nice. I'm impressed. Honestly, that's just satisfying. Okay guys, it's the moment of truth. Ooh, that's pretty good. I'm impressed. Here, father, taste test. What do you think?
Oh, there we go.
Huh? Thumbs up from me. Hey guys, I'm super excited about this recipe because I feel like the other ones that I've done have been a little bit mainstream and basic. You've seen them here or there, but this one is pretty exciting. I've seen this on TikTok a lot. It's like this boba ice cream bar that's been going around and it's sold out everywhere, and I saw this one TikTok just showing you like how to make it at home. Luckily for me, I actually work at a boba shop, so I was able to bring home some stuff. This is all boba. And then this is some brown sugar. You can make it at home also, but like that's kind of a lot of work. So luckily I don't have to do that. I'm gonna be making the popsicle thing. Super excited. I don't have like a popsicle maker or anything, so I'm just gonna be improvising a little bit. It's pretty simple. All she really did was use heavy whipping cream with vanilla to make the ice cream and then put it in a cup with a little spoon. And so I'm just using like McDonald's cup. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do, I have heavy whipping cream here. And so I think I'm gonna use this whole thing basically. I don't know why I was so scared to open that. I'm just gonna pour like a little bit of vanilla into it and then shake it up. I like actually mixed it, but I don't know if that's a lot. Okay, so I poured some vanilla in there. Okay, for improvising, just brown sugar syrup. You can make this by basically boiling water and then putting brown sugar in it. I just kind of was feeling a little bit lazy today. And I'm gonna be pouring this into like a little plastic baggie. I'm gonna try to like drizzle brown sugar around the thing. Okay, so I cut a little hole. Oh! Whoa! Well, that wasn't a great idea now, was it? Okay, so I just drizzled brown sugar around the cup. I'm gonna put some boba in it. This is gonna be my popsicle stick. I'm not gonna stay in the middle, so being a little smart here. Okay. Okay guys, so I know this looks really ghetto, but hopefully it'll taste good, okay? So I have this tape here, keep them straight, and I'm gonna go put these, overnight, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hey guys, the next day, my boba bars are well done. We're gonna see if this is like the real thing. I don't know how accurate this is gonna be because I have actually never tried the actual bubble tea bars. Unfortunately, I couldn't find them. But you know what? Maybe this will taste good anyway. I'm gonna have my dad review it too. It's so big. I'm gonna put it in a little cup. That do be looking kind of good though. Oh, that's so sweet.
Bro.
The boba is frozen. That did not work. No. 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 I don't know why I keep eating it. It's not good, guys. It's not good. The boba is literally frozen. I don't know how they make it chewy. This is trash. Don't do this. Don't do this. This is a waste.
No.
That in the actual boba bars, they use mochi, not tapioca. So I'm guessing that's why. I'm still gonna make my dad try this. I wanna see what he says. Dad, try this.
Back?
Yeah, try this. It's like a popsicle.
The boba thing?
Yeah. You have to try it.
That's pretty good.
Really? Did you eat the boba?
Yeah.
Bruh, it's frozen. Oh my god, okay. Hey guys, we're baking cookies. I've seen this one all over TikTok and I've been dying to try it. It does use peanut butter, but I'm allergic to nuts. So today we will be using soy nut butter. Hopefully this works. It only has like 5 ingredients. I have high hopes because they look really, really good. All you need is soy nut butter or like peanut butter, brown sugar, baking soda, and an egg. And I think that's it. And then chocolate. Let's get started. Okay, so that only took like a couple minutes to whip up. I'm not sure if like soy nut butter is really different than peanut butter because this be looking a little bit wonky. This is also supposed to make 12 cookies and this literally looks like 4 cookies to me. Maybe my cookies are just too big. Oh, we're gonna hope for the best. This is what they're looking like. They look a little wonky. I don't know. I'm a little iffy about this. So we're going into the oven at 350, 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, so the timer just went off. Okay, these actually look really good. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
She's so funny. Look. Wait, that looks good. Okay, guys, it is time to try one of these. I think they're kind of beautiful. You know when cookies are all like cracked like that? I really, really like that. I always have to break them. That's pretty good. Really sweet. Really sweet. Which makes sense because it's literally straight sugar. You know, I think I'd give this like a 7 out of 10. I feel like you could tweak the recipe a little bit. Pretty good though. Alright guys, so that was my video of testing all these TikTok recipes. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming this and trying out all these things. So if you want to see another like part 2, make sure to let me know what recipes you want me to do or tag me in TikTok videos. I always like looking through, writing, tagging, whatever, responding. Make sure to follow my other socials, chat with me, and subscribe to this channel. I am uploading every Friday and occasionally on Mondays as well. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support, and I hope you're having an amazing, wonderful day and week and life. Okay, that's all. Thank you guys. Love you. Bye.
I know it's good.